What up guys, I so want to talk about nutrition and health with you guys, and I just want to make things simpler for you. It's not a big deal, nutrition. A lot of people struggle to lose weight, and I've seen that mostly people who have a sedentary lifestyle or who are just stuck in their routine, a lot of stress levels are there. A lot of college going people or 9 to 5 people suffer from health anxieties, plus they're concerned about their health and they're not feeling good about it, right? And they kind of are stuck in that rut and they don't know what to do. So I just wanted to give you guys a tip which has helped me a lot and which can help you guys a lot, and I'm sure of that. Starting off, it's called fasting. It's basically a tool. It has helped me a lot, and it's not that hard also to do. It's basically giving your insulin some break, okay, and maintaining some baseline. Insulin is a hormone which gets secreted every time we eat carbohydrates or lean protein, okay. So so what I want to tell you guys is that start doing this experiment for 15 days, okay, or let's say 3 weeks. Let's keep it 3 weeks, wherein you will be skipping your breakfast. Now a lot of people don't have this habit of skipping breakfast. They think that breakfast is the best meal or like the most important meal that we should all be taking. But just for the experiment's sake, guys, start skipping your breakfast. So let's say you reach your office or your college around 9-10, okay, and then you after half an hour of reaching, you have your black coffee or your green tea, whatever. Don't add sugar. Sugar is not allowed in this. You can't have fruits also. You can't have chai also, doodh wali. So forget all of that. You can break your fast when people are having their lunch. That should be your breakfast. Carry your lunch. You can carry anything, whatever you want. Carry your sabji roti, like a typical sabji roti which you have, or like whatever you carry, right? Sandwiches or anything. After that, when you have your breakfast, you go home and then you have your typical dinner by, let's say, 8 o'clock or tops 9. Keep it 9, okay, not later than 9. So here what is going on in this routine is कि 9 बजे से लेके अगले दिन 9 तक हो गए 12 घंटे. 12 घंटे से 2, so let's say 9 से 12 या 1 बजे तक you have to wait, ठीक है. So you roughly have around like a 14 to 15 hour fasting, wherein you're giving your body some break. Some insulin baseline levels are achieved, okay. The magic starts happening when you give yourself this break. When we'll do all of this, what will happen is we will be fixed from within, in the sense that our body starts tapping the fats as the fuel, and you start feeling more focused at work. And not only it's about fat loss, okay, it's about feeling good. It's about other therapeutic benefits of fasting, okay. One of it is called autophagy. Autophagy won't be raised in an intermittent fasting of a kind, this scenario, but for the people who haven't never done fasting in their lives, who are just concerned about their health and their weight or stress levels, please try and do fasting. You guys will be surprised to see the benefits, okay. And then there are a lot of other things like long-term fasting, water fasting, dry fasting, juice fasting. We should fast. I really am an advocate of fasting because I have tried prolonged fasting as well. I have tried water fasting and magic happens, guys. Like, your immune system reboots. It's you start feeling good, right? And then that carbohydrate crash, like weird tiredness, drowsiness, like it doesn't happen anymore. So yeah, I just wanted to mention about fasting, and I really want you guys to try it. So just for 3 weeks and you will be surprised, guys. Weight loss सिर्फ एक part है उसका, सिर्फ एक part. जो फ्री में मिलेगा। मगर वेट लॉस के अलावा बहुत चीज़ें हैं। इट्स टाइम टू अनफक योर सेल्फ। मतलब 9 to 5 सेडेंट्री लाइफस्टाइल और वीकेंड्स पे पार्टी कर करके हमने अपनी लगा डाली है। बट देयर इज दिस वे टू फिक्स योर सेल्फ गाइस।